Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA, we are heading possibly here towards the end of this move down at some point. It's getting interesting because we have the situation that on some charts like Bitcoin, Ethereum, the question is, is this an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave? And after these 5 waves down, we are basically done. A, B, and then we had 5 waves down in C. Or is it... do we have the situation that we have here, as I have it on the chart, actually, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only this would complete the A wave, then the B and the C. We need to keep an open mind. I'm starting to think here that this is not correct, the way I have it. The reason is that this would mean a much deeper move down than, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum probably get. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to change the yellow count and just move it up a degree. So the first 5 wave move was actually not a wave 1, it was an A wave. The move up in a B wave, and now we're coming down in C. I think this fits much better. It fits much better. However, I will closely review this, and should we drop much lower, then I will have to amend it. But I just think, look, with Bitcoin, I think we're in the wave 3 of 3 or something, or no, 5 of 3 we're getting into. There will be a 4 and a 5. So here, here, I just can't justify that there will be another, so that it will come down so far. Maybe it will, but I just want to be, don't let you hope for too much lower prices. And in the end, then we don't get them, okay? So we're going to talk about targets where we need to watch out for, where we could get a bounce from. So important now is that we avoid an overlap between waves 4 and 1. So just to give you the count again, we started here, which is great, by the way. I've been talking about this decline now, I think since we've come to this high, because finally we get it, right? You will remember that I said that this ending diagonal count, so the idea that we made a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, was limited to 42 cents. So it was basically not allowed to go above 42, or we would have morphed into a much more bullish scenario, which I found very, very unlikely. Yeah, it would have escalated this completely. Just couldn't handle it really, also given the bearish divergences that we see on the chart. Okay, so we saw bearish divergences, we were waiting for a move down, it's finally there, it's finally happening. Hope it helps some people to, I don't know, de-risk or, take some risk out, or maybe even take some profits. We're now heading down here, and probably in a wave A. Then the B wave had a short area here, worked out, and with another short area here, worked out. And now we're moving down in the third wave. Now, that third wave could be possibly complete. So let's zoom in again. Going to go to the lower time frame as well, and we see a little bit more detail, which I always like to do, especially when we have those movements here which are so relevant, because there's so much going on, and sometimes it's important to know also about the small waves, especially for a lot of you who are interested in getting an understanding of the latest developments here. So at the moment I'm looking like we had a wave 1 done. I can count this move down as a 5 wave move complete in a wave 1. So basically here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possible. Then we had our wave 2 hit the short area, then the wave 3, which I would assume is finished. Let's just double check that in terms of targets. I mean, what did we reach? Did we reach the 1.618 extension? Looks like it. Okay, not yet. So we didn't reach the 1.618 extension. That was our target here at 34.8 cents. However, this looks like a 5 wave move down complete, to be honest. And also it would be in line with Bitcoin, Ethereum. So we might have to assume that here on the lower time frame, this third wave stopped here at 35.35. We're now retracing in a fourth. So if we talk about this fourth wave, what are the targets for the fourth? And what would there be another short trade area? Yeah, here. So we've now broken above the 23.6 FIB, which is at 36.2 cents. And we are probably approaching the 38.2 FIB at 36.8 cents. So I think this is probably something that we should reach. Resistance here would be especially the 37.2 cent level. Now, this is important resistance because it was important support before. It's measured in retracements, also the 23.6 FIB retracement up there at around 37.2, and we had significant previous support. So I think the 50%, yeah, sort of this will be important resistance. I would imagine there will be at least a bounce from there, and ideally the beginning of the fifth wave down. And then we could have our C wave complete. And if what if I calculate the length of the A wave, we go to the high of the B wave, then it would give us an ideal target for the C wave of 34.82 cents. So I'm going to add that as well here to the chart. Let's see. I mean, this could theoretically be the end of the fifth wave. It would be quite short though in overall, but I want to just make you aware that theoretically this wave 2 could be finished there. Okay, I will observe this. So we will see how we react to it. It would only have only have dropped off the high around about 15%, which is not too much compared to some other coins. I think it will go further down, but I don't think it will go down as much as I had in the first count. So I'm going to observe that, might have to tweak it a little bit, but it currently looks like we are only moving up correctively. And one more way to calculate or to estimate here the wave 4 target is we draw a impulse price channel. Let's see if we can actually do this. If we connect the wave 1 and the wave 3, because we know the wave 1 and the wave 3, and we draw a parallel line starting at the origin of the third wave, and then we can estimate the fourth wave target, and that would land directly in this resistance area here. So that's going to be interesting. I mean, there is another way of drawing it. Can't rule out that this was the end of the third wave, so I'll give you another channel in orange. Don't know which one eventually will work out, but pay attention to both. Okay, so that's sort of where we are with ADA. Basically, these channels, by the way, they can give you an estimate of where the fourth wave will end in this case. So either here at around 36.78 or sort of in this red area. Okay, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Also, if you like to earn passive ADA with your ADA, you can support more crypto online by delegating to our MCO stake pool. You can find links for the pool in the description. Also, tutorial how you can delegate your ADA to our pool. Helps the pool grow, will help the community as well, and you can earn some passive ADA with your ADA. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.